We are in the final against a great team, in my opinion, who deserve to be there. So it will be tough. Finals is always like that. It doesn't matter which team we play against. It's always tough. It's 50-50. Fantastic team. They show during the year that they are strong. It's not coincidence that they are in a first position in a league. I want to score in the final if it will be possible. If I don't score another player, it doesn't matter. I just want to win. But I just want more every year. Well, we feel good. We feel fit. Of course, some injuries coming, which is normal. Not just Real Madrid, but all the teams in Europe, in the world. Because much as game you do it, more injuries you're going to have. This is normal. It's a process of what we do during the year. Many games, fatigue, and players is more tired. The risk is more high. It's normal. But we have timing to recover all the players for 24. I think this is the goal. Win the Copa del Rey. We're still fighting for the league. We know it's going to be very, very difficult or impossible. Nothing is impossible, but we still can fight for the league. We know it's very difficult. And we are in the final of Champions League. If in the beginning some people coming with the paper say, you want that for the end of the year, I will sign to enjoy. I think it's the main word, to don't put pressure on myself. I don't need to show nothing to anyone. I play many years. I'm professional many years. I show every year that I'm in the top.